Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Please, who are you?
My name is Michael Uzonwane.
All right.
Yeah.
I believe you're happy.
Why not?
Please, I want you to tell us what's going on. What's going on in Uncle Emma's house?
Okay, we're here to celebrate my friend's 50th birthday. It's an epoch event because it's a lifetime event. Actually, he has lived up his years up to now, and we are praying for him to live another trench of 50 years more. So I'm wishing him 100 years all together, yes.
All right, that's very good.
Yes.
You have already said your wish to him. I'm about
Of
asking
course.
you what is your wish to him.
Okay.
But then, I still want you to say something about him. How are you related to him? Who is he to him?
Okay, Emma is a family friend. He's a brother and also a friend. We've been together for decades, over the years. I got to meet Emma through his elder brother, who is my friend, my best friend, Valentine Osai. And ever since then, we've been family. We do things together, we celebrate ourselves together, and just name it. We do everything together. He's been a very good friend and a brother.
That's a great one. I love that. But then, you know that this birthday that he's celebrating his 50th birthday. That is climbing to.
Of course.
So what do you have to say in order to tap in?
Well, I wish him all the best. I wish him the best of life. Many more years. Prosperity.
That's wonderful.
Peace and happiness in his home. Growth and expansion. Everything he wishes himself. I'm saying God in heaven, let him accomplish and get his life fulfilled.
Thank you very much.
Yes.